Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a new toupee cleaning tutorial to show you. Always pour the shampoo into the water first and then use your hands to create foam. Then, place the toupee into the water. Avoid pouring shampoo directly onto the toupee, as this can cause the hair tangled and be difficult to comb out. Hold the back half of the toupee with one hand and immerse it into the water, ensuring the entire toupee is thoroughly wet. Then, while lifting it up, use the other hand to gently stroke downwards, avoid rubbing. Repeat this motion several times, then rinse off the foam with clean water. Conditioner can make washed toupees smoother and easier to comb. Similar to shampoo, squeeze it into the water first and then use your hands to distribute it. Then gently comb through the hair in the direction of the hair growth using a wide tooth comb until the hair is all smooth. Then rinse the toupee with clean water again. Wrap it in a towel, pat dry, and then brush it gently. Place it on a wig stand to air dry. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Got questions or need a hand? Just drop us a line. And if you're digging our tips, smash that follow button and hit like, it helps us big time. Catch you next time.